After you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com to upload or import W-2 form on TurboTax, you want to click on this federal button at the left side of your screen. Then click on Wages and Income button just below it, which will open up the selections, and hover your mouse over Income selection. Then choose on Wages and Income Summary, which will take you to this page, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see Wages and Salaries section. Then click on it and hit on Start or Revisit button. On here, choose the one that said to work on my W-2. Then hit the Continue button. After that, you want to add your employer ID number or EIN at the box B on your W-2 form. Then hit the Continue button. From here, you may start to take a photo of your W-2 form, or you may upload it if you have the soft file of your W-2, like PDF, JPG, or PNG type of file, and you may also just typing it manually. After that, you may follow the instructions from TurboTax. If you choose to upload it, TurboTax will automatically insert and calculate your taxes, saves a lot of time. Then, after you import your W-2 form, you will see this tab. Click on Done button. If you are eligible for the refund, TurboTax will inform you. Click on Continue. As you can see, you are successfully add your W-2 form. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.